Hi, and welcome back to another video. This is my very first Mask Monday, so I'm just gonna try get my feet wet, or my face I should say, and just see how this thing goes. So first off, let's get a couple of things out of the way before we dip into the mud. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's make my YouTube family just a little bigger, a little better, and with you in it. My face is cleansed, and what I'm choosing to use today, which I've used in the past only once but loved it, it's by Way. It's a China Herbal Beauty. The package is beautiful. The package is absolutely stunning. So you open it up, got to be careful or it all falls out. It does come with a bamboo application brush, and as you can tell, I have used one already. Now, there are two different types of masks. There is the Ready Glow exfoliating mask, and there is the Purifying Mud Mask. Now, this is the one that I'm going to be doing today. This one here is the Purifying Mask, the Mud Mask. Now, let me explain to you the difference between the two. But first, let's get this mask on, because it does take 10 minutes, and I do have to take off my glasses and can't see anything. So, okay, so it does, guys, it really does look like mud. I mean, seriously, look, this looks like chocolate pudding. It looks like chocolate pudding. Oh, it feels good. You know, I'm like seriously right here. So the reason I chose this one, and the reason I chose it prior, was because it's the one that does exfoliating, and you know, it gets that really deep sense of you can feel a product working. We gotta ask the question, you guys. We gotta ask the question. How's your Monday going? How's your Monday going? Don't say horrible because you woke up. The minute you woke up, it was a blessing. Doesn't mean the rest of the day is going to feel like it. So my mom always said, when you say, how's your day? People say, oh, it's going bad. And I go, really? Because you woke up. You know, it does feel like chocolate pudding. It doesn't smell like chocolate pudding, but it feels like mud and chocolate pudding. So let's get to this side here. Let's get on this left side here, Lori. Since I changed the skincare routine products, my products in my skincare, since I changed them, the skin, my pores have closed up a lot, over 50%. My dryness, I think, is still there only because of winter. You know, it's cold, the air's dry. Everybody wonders why there's so much electricity, that you're always shocking the kids, shocking the cat, shocking your spouse. And I don't mean shocking them when you bring out that EPT test and say, honey, we're having another baby, as he holds your 6-month-old. Not that kind of shock. It's the electrical shock in the air. So it says 10 minutes, but I haven't done my forehead, and I'm just going to do a little bit because I don't want to have to get too much water up there and have it drip down on the eyebrows. I know the gal that did my eyebrows, if she's watching this, she's probably going, don't get too close. You know, don't do the forehead. Just leave that area alone. But it's dry. Sorry, but that's one of the dry areas of my entire face. Okay, I think we're done. And then, so I didn't even use maybe a quarter of it And I'm just going to go ahead, put the little top back on it, and I'll stick it in a snack size Ziploc bag, seal it up, and put it in my COLLAB. And China Herbal Beauty. And if you're wondering how I can read things without my glasses, don't tell anyone. It's safe. I use it beside my bed when I'm reading at night, because there's things that are only this big. Look at the writing on here. I mean, come on. So I may have to wait until we're done, or when I edit this video and put this in the beginning, because this is ridiculous. Unless I could put my glasses on and wash them off. I've seen a few of you girls on Mask Monday do that. Watch this. It's gonna go in my glasses. What's a little mud between me and my glasses? Okay, so there's two. There's the Brown Sugar Ready Glow Exfoliating Mask. And now this is the reason why I did not go with this one to begin with. It's not doing anything wrong. It's just the reason I did not. This one it gently exfoliates and brightens the skin for a flawless, radiant complexion, leaving your skin as soft as a rose petal. That's fantastic. I will definitely be trying that one on another day, another time. But this is the one that I did use. It's a cult favorite, Golden Root Purifying Mud Mask. It deeply cleanses and detoxifies skin, removes impurities, and minimizes the appearance of pores and imperfections for an even, flawless complexion. Bingo. And you wonder why I chose that one. Yes. So you gently apply it on a wet, clean face, avoiding the eye area. That other one is 3 to 5 minutes. This one is the one I'm using. Leave the Golden Root Purifying Mud Mask on clean skin for 10 minutes. So Lord Almighty, I didn't even look up at the clock or put a timer on. Oh well. That's why there's editing. Okay, avoiding the eye area. Rinse it with warm water and pat it dry. For spot treatment, apply exclusively to the spot and leave it on overnight. Rinse off in the morning. See, sometimes you put some mud on your face or some chocolate pudding, go to bed. Follow any mask application with serum and moisturizer. And then don't forget to, rinse your brush in warm water and soap after each use and air dry it for storage. So let's see, we got a few minutes left. Would you like a short story, or would you like some updates and news and stuff? Let's do some new things that are happening. What's new in your life? What you guys doing? How's everything been? I hope you guys had a wonderful Halloween and it was safe. Your kids enjoyed it, getting all dressed up and looking funny and silly, that you all had a blast. Let me know down below what you did. Did you hand out candy, or were you the one taking the kids around to collect candy? Just let me know. Did you dress up, or were you the one that didn't have anything on but handed candy out anyway? So let me know. All right, you guys, it is getting close. I'm gonna bounce off here real quick and I'll be right back. I'm gonna take this stuff off. Okay, it's all washed off, including the glasses. Yes, the glasses are washed off as well. This is the Antioxidant Energizing Essence. I did get me a few bottles through Boxy during the, what is it called now? Drop Shop? I don't know if that's hit yet. I think it has. Anyway, correct me down below, all right? So just give it a little shake. Here's what happened. The top on it, right here, had a plastic. It's in here. I don't know if you can see it. It's floating around in there. I went to open up the bottle and it popped right inside. And that's the thing that has the shaker. So when you do put some on your little cotton round, it doesn't come out in huge amounts, which now I have to be very careful. But you get the gist of what I'm saying. The 111 Skin, an antioxidant energizing essence. This stuff is crazy amazing. Now my skin doesn't feel tight, because I don't like that feeling at all when skincare does that. Or, you know what I mean, the masks, cleansers, whatever. But it feels really nice. My skin feels soft. It just feels like it's missing something, like this, you know. So I will do this. This will be my first step. I gotta go. I gotta finish up this face before everything starts drying and tightening and doesn't work well. I gotta put the next couple steps on my face. I want to thank you guys very much for spending a little bit of time with me. I appreciate it. Don't forget, that is free. It doesn't cost you a dime. Of course, then again, neither does spending time with me. So, thanks for watching me do a little bit of weight. China Herbal Beauty. Throwing a little bit of chocolate pudding mud mask on my face. It feels fantastic. Thank you very much, Triple Skin, for being step 2 in my journey of skincare today. And I will see you guys in the next video. All right? Bye. Hey, I got Trend Mood. It's already here. And my AIA is on its way. Bye, guys.